Namaskaram. എൻ്റെ പേര് Ashok Kumar. I am a zoology faculty in Xylem. So, the students who are going to write NEET exam this year, I strongly believe that I know that you already completed the studying of all the subjects, including physics, chemistry, and biology. Now, this is a time for revision. So, this revision we should do with very fast because the time duration is a 1 month. That is why this 1 month time duration we not only revise the total chapters for the NEET exam, but also we need to do lot of questions like a mock test. So you will get doubt, sir, how can we do all the chapters? Around 100 chapters are there for the NEET exams. Okay, how these all the chapters we need to revise with very fast. So for doing this revision with very fast, Xylem is going to give do or die program tomorrow evening 7 o'clock. What is the importance of this do or die program? In this program, we are going to tell, especially for my point, the zoology part is going to do what are the important areas we need to focus, what are the important areas we need to concentrate, what are the important areas you need to revise very fast. As we know, because we have so long years of experience, as my point of view, we know what are the exact areas where the questions will come. So those areas we are going to tell tomorrow, okay, in the do or die program. So tomorrow at 7 o'clock, all zoology faculties from the Xylem are going to start there in front of you. So everybody get ready tomorrow at 7 o'clock evening. All the best.